Progress Test Unit 5. Speaker 1.
Everyone is really angry. We love this village. It's quiet, green, and beautiful. There's hardly any traffic, and the air is fresh and clean. But now they're building a shopping centre on the fields over there. They're also building a motorway through the valley and the woods. It's terrible.
Speaker 2.
I work in an office block in the centre of town. It's an ugly grey building on a busy street. The noise of the traffic is awful. There's a hospital opposite, a supermarket on the left, and a car park on the right. I can't see any green spaces from my window. The only advantage of working here is that I can take the stairs up to my office every morning. It's on the 6th floor, so at least I can be a bit active every day.
Speaker 3.
I work on a farm. It's called Hambrook Farm, and it's near a small lake. I get up at 4 every morning and go to work on foot. I have to cross a small bridge and go along the path past the lake. It's a lovely way to start the day. If it's raining a lot, my friend John, who lives next door, sometimes gives me a lift. Everyone is very friendly here. We always help each other when we can.